everybody for subscribing. So I don't have the actual intake filter on the turbo at all, and I noticed that it's louder without the filter being on. So if you're wondering why it's even louder than it was, usually I mean, a lot of people's like, hey man, my turbo, yours is louder than mine, is because I don't have the actual filter on. Even with the filter on the actual turbo, it is still loud, but I just like without the filter. I gotta order like a turbo filter, a turbo guard. So instead of putting the filter on, you put the guard on, which is like a screen. So yeah, I'm actually gonna order one of those as soon as I get home from like Amazon, and we should be straight with that, because it's not really a good thing just to have the filter off your turbo, because if it sucks something up, it is what it is, man. It'll go. I'm talking your motor and your turbo. So I'm gonna do just a couple quick pulls for you guys, just so you guys can see what it is. Well, to see what it actually sounds like low RPM pulls, high RPM pulls. Pretty much, I'm gonna just drive the car like I usually drive it. That's all, bro. Need some gasolina. We got like a quarter tank. Stop so I can get some gas, but it should be alright. Still run good. How the audio actually is going to come out as far as with the cameras, but like I said, it sounds pretty good. It's like a high-pitched whistle in the way, but I love it. I mean, I don't see how anybody would actually get tired of actually hearing it. Me and my own preference, I'm 100% sure I won't get tired of hearing this thing. I love it. My car is a lot laggy. Just because I got tuned with the 60 and now I have a 66, my AFRs are off. But I get everything straight and situated once we tune it again. But so far so good. It's good. The car runs good. And like I said, it has nothing to do with the T51r mod at all. Why my car is laggy? It's literally because I just put a bigger turbo on the setup. That's all that is. But yeah, I love it. Love this thing, man. this thing, man. So we could do a pull from like a dead stop too. So where I'm at, I can actually just pull over here on the shoulder. There's really no traffic coming here on this highway. This is actually part of the highway as much, because it's like the end of the highway. Well, the end of the beltway. Take it on the street just so you can hear. The guy just gave me the hideous look. Like, what is that? What is that? It's a jet fighter with no bumper. I forgot I don't got my bumper on. You know, it just is what it is, right? Second gear pull again. I'm just playing around with it. I know you probably like, dang man, why you don't just really open it? Like, look, see, dude almost came out the side block. I'm on it like a residential street, so can't really dig in it. I mean, and then at the end of the day, like the way how my exhaust is set up, like the exhaust is just loud, bro. So you still hear the T51r mod, but you hear a lot of exhaust. Like the exhaust is just ridiculous on this thing. But yeah, man, like I said, like I'm loving it so far, man. I mean, and hopefully this video actually, you know, kind of convinces everybody to go T51r mod just because it's just so nice, man. you.